Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the module 4. Just today I will give the brief introduction about network analysis. Okay, this is module number 4. Okay, so before solving any network analysis problem, we should know the definition related to the problems. Okay, so what is the meaning of exact network? It is a graphical presentation or an arrow diagram presented to the management in respect to a project work. Any work, it will show the arrow diagram. Allow this arrow diagram which contains the activity and time, etc. Okay, and that is called as a network. Okay, which consists of details regarding the consumptions of time and cost, not only for each activity but also for the whole project. So I told already, so if any network which consists of any time, activity, event, that is called as, it is in a sequence order. Okay, now that should have almost all the time from beginning to end moment, how much time to take to complete the given job. Okay, that is about network sequence. Okay, so that the management can manipulate to resource and cost can be controlled in a more effective manner. So if know before solving, before if any work to complete, before we should know the what is the cost and what is the time required to complete the job means. So it is very easy to control a more effective manner than without any controlling the action. Okay, so what are the steps involved in the process, that is the network analysis process? So here there are two steps. First one is to identify the jobs, event or activity. First step is which job we are doing or which event or which activity. So second one is arrange the job in a logical sequence. So you have to go sequence such that it will be step by step procedure. Okay, now these are the two steps to follow the while solving the problems of network analysis. Okay, so what are the main objective of network analysis? So it is a successful technique. It is frequently used to plan or monitor and control the projects involving the thousands of activities. Not only 1, 2, 3 thousand of activity, we can use the network analysis concept. Okay, so the first one is to minimize the project cost. If you want to solve any problem, before that we have to know the what is the sequence we are going to complete that job, so that for that purpose we are reducing the minimize the project cost. Okay, second one is to minimize the project time also. Along with cost, we can reduce the time also to complete within a short period. Okay, third one is to ensure the optimization utilization of human and other resources. How much labors are required to complete that job also we have to note down, we have to take the consideration. Okay, so fourth one is to ensure the minimum conflicts and unnecessary delays. Okay, even we are not doing any delays while doing the job. Okay, these are some objectives of network analysis. Next one is to solve any network analysis problem, we should know the what is the meaning of activity, event, time, cost, etc. So first definition is activity. What do you mean by activity? So it is an activity refers to the physical identifiable part of a project which consumes a time and cost. That is an activity. It is represented by an arrow. The activity may have a predecessor activity and a successor activity. Okay, activity which should contain a cost and time. Along with that, we have to show the arrow mark. We are shown here. So 1 to 2, it is activity. A indicates an activity. Point number 1 is represented a node. Okay, so along with A, we have to mention the cost of that product. Okay, so how to represent a activity in a given problem? So first, activity should be represented by an arrow connected to nodes. So I told here the activity connected between 2 points. So second one is all activity should be in forward direction, it not be in reverse direction. Okay, third one is all the activity should be either represented by a number or alphabet. You can represent a number or A, B, C, D, that not doesn't matter. Okay, all alphabet and number should be in ascending order only, it should not have any descending order. Okay, because if you want to complete a job means we are going further only, not for coming backward. Okay, so what do you mean by event in a network analysis problem? It is an event is represent the start and the end point of an activity. So event is represented or it will indicate the starting point and ending point. Okay, it is normally represented by a circle called as nodes. I told no here. So this is called as an activity. It is shown by circle, small circle. Okay, during some active while solving the problem we require some dummy activity also. So dummy activity nothing but it is an activity which does not consume any time and productivity, time and cost. So just we are supporting with this activity we are using. Okay, it should be represented by dotted line but not by any alphabet. It should be introduced to maintain a preceding and succeeding the relationship. Okay, so this dummy activity we are showing by dotted line but not showing any time and cost, because dummy activity means it is just supporting. Okay, we are not considering this dummy activity in the given problem. Just if you in a given problem, if you are showing dotted line means you just to assume that is a dummy activity to maintain or to balance the given project work. Okay, what are the main advantage of using this network analysis technique? Okay, first one is to aid the management, planning, scheduling and controlling the activity of a project. We have to control planning, scheduling. For that purpose we need a network analysis diagram, network analysis method. Okay, second is it will help the ascertaining the time schedules. Okay, within the time we are going to complete the job. Okay, third one is it helps to in guiding and directing the team's effort for more effectively. So if you have any plan means it will work out more effective than without planning job. Okay, encourage the discipline. Along with that we have to maintain a discipline also, and to in handling the uncertainties regarding the time schedules, coordination of various activity and controlling the cost involved. Okay, along with that we have coordinate is very important for the all the network analysis job. Okay, that is in any particular job involved in that particular process. Okay, so coordinating is very important, and controlling the cost also very important. These are the some of the advantages for using network analysis technique. So okay, next class we will solve the problems on these, so that you will understand better than this. Okay, if you okay we I think I hope you understand this network analysis. So okay, just to remember that network analysis means it is a graphical presentation on an arrow diagram represent to a management in a respect of a project, any given work. Okay, that is about a network. Okay, it should network means any job content having cost, time, that also consideration. Okay, if you want to solve one problem means you will understand in the next slide. I will going to solve one problems on based on this introduction to network analysis. Okay, I hope you understand this. Thank you.